bonus reading for February the 18th to February the 19th, air signs. We have the Two of Swords, the Five of Wands, and the Three of Wands. Medyo chaotic yung nangyari sa inyo nito ni person for the past days, no? For a few numbers of you, baka may separation nga dito, whether this is physical or energetic separation. Ang nakikita natin dito, chances are, itong si person, no, hindi rin nakipag-communicate, so nakipagpatigasan sa inyo. With the Five of Wands, for a few numbers of you, baka nabit-bit pa nga kayo sa third-party situation or baka pwede natin sabihing selos, ano? Pero with the Three of Wands kasi, parang magkakaroon dito ng communication, magkakaroon din dito ng mga bagay na matagal mo na ding inaantay or matagal nang inaantay ni person, which is clarity, which is explanations also. I feel like magiging maganda naman, no? Kasi with the communication in here, maayos naman yung pagkakaroon ninyo ng conversation dito dahil napapansin natin na merong mga natuto doon sa inyong separation in the past. Ngayon, aayusin ninyo ito para mabuo uli. This is your bonus reading for air signs, February the 18th to 19th.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me back.